Hey, what's up guys, this is Sriraj Melath and welcome back to my channel. This is the chapter 5 of our React.js for Beginner series, and we're gonna explore some Tailwind React component styling by creating a beautiful profile card. In previous chapters we have covered until displaying an image, and now let's move on to styling using Tailwind. So far we are here. Add an image to our React.js project by importing the image file to a variable and using the variable directly in the src. Okay, now let's make some more changes. I'm adding the name, changing the name to Satya Nadella. So this is the CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, and he is the CEO of Microsoft. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. So I need the font Roboto for the title, just cutting that and using it here, and here I can use a p tag. Okay, I made some modifications. Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft. So I have made a beautiful profile kind of thing for Satya Nadella. I can make little more beautify using the Tailwind CSS by adding a class name for image. I'm adding a class name and I'm giving width as 48 and height as 48, and now let's see, the image size has reduced and it has become a little bit square. I have added width and height for this image, but it looks a little bit compressed. I can improve that by using the object cover for image, so that will change the image. You can see now it's improved. I can add some margin to make it more beautiful. Margin 5 I'm adding, and then I can make it rounded. The corner I can make it rounded full I can give, so it will make the image in rounded. Okay, now it looks more beautiful, right? So it's positioned a little bit left. I can make it center by applying flex here to this parent div, flex column, and justify center and also item center. Bingo! Now it has become a beautiful profile card of Satya Nadella. Using Tailwind CSS we have very easily added some flex, item center. We have added some background, flex, positioning, size for image, easily rounded the image to a circle image, styled by applying Google font. Lot of things we have done wonderfully. So this is how easily we have created a beautiful profile card using React.js and Tailwind CSS. Similarly, you can try creating profile card of Google CEO, that is our Sundar Pichai, and Tesla CEO, the Elon Musk. You can create profile cards like this for those people. Try out on your React Tailwind project as an assignment. Okay guys, that's all in this video. Wonderful React tutorials are coming on your way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe. This is Sriraj Melath signing off.